Direct flow video review means your decision is about the full video as one media item. You are not drawing boxes around objects. Instead, you judge whether the selected media category and the whole video match the dataset guidance. Use the video player and playback controls to watch the entire video before making a review decision. A short preview is not enough because the category and quality must hold across the whole item. Check the category description and examples. If the selected category is wrong and the workflow allows changes, choose the correct category before deciding. Click Approve only after the full video matches the dataset guidance. Click Reject if the video shows unnatural movement, odd behavior, or any deformed objects. Also reject it if the category changes partway through or if it otherwise should not pass.